It is very much like Venice. You got all these little marketplaces, all these little shops. What a beautiful place.
Don't you feel like breaking free? Open your eyes, embrace what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive, I do die.
Today we are leaving the campsite at Maestro Camping, Costa, along this beautiful shoreline. I mean, look at it. Absolutely stunning. As you can see, the clouds, the weather, it looks like a serious storm coming in from Europe. We've had weather warnings and so on, so we'll just see what happens. Dubrovnik is 100 and something kilometers. It's like 110 kilometers. Short ride. We're going to stop in Dubrovnik, have a coffee, camping tonight at a place called Camping Kate, and then we will see what happens tomorrow, whether we venture into Montenegro or go straight up to Bosnia. So if you sort of look off into the distance, that's where we kind of heading. We're going to follow the coast all the way down to Dubrovnik. Look at this tree out. What a majestic tree. Wow. The king of all trees. That's quite remarkable. This is a stunning tree. Look at that. Check you out, sexy beast. Giving it the support. What a majestic, stunning tree. Absolutely stunning. So there you go. You've got all the ships. Oh wow, look at that bridge. Bungee jumping 200 meters. That's going to be a pretty high bridge. I feel sorry for you guys. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at that view. Look at that, guys. Oh wow. Absolutely stunning. This is the road I was looking for. I do believe this is the road that Napoleon built, and when they marched their troops through here, they got stopped at those two gates. They went through the first gate, and then the guards closed the first gate, and then they got locked in, and then they poured hot oil on the guards. I think that's how the story went. We've had a quick look at all the hotels. Most of them are full or over 60 euros. So we're going to head up to a place called Camping Kate and park the bike up for the afternoon and then come back into Dubrovnik and explore. We're at Camping Kate in Dubrovnik, or just on the outskirts of Dubrovnik. Nice little chilled out campsite. 10 euros I paid. We're just going to go into Dubrovnik and have a look around. Spend the afternoon exploring Dubrovnik, so come and join us. Very dramatic scene behind us. Welcome to Dubrovnik. We're going to go to the Old Town now and have a look around and enjoy this. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. So this would be the main street, or I suppose main walkway in Dubrovnik, and then you've got all the side alleys and so on. Got the Venice tradition, and then you walk onto the main street, and then you've got all these cool little shops that you can go into and buy your souvenirs and so on. But you got restaurants dotted all over the place, candy stores. It is very much like Venice. You got all these little marketplaces, all these little shops. What a beautiful place. If you're Game of Thrones fans, you'll remember the staircase when Cersei came walking down naked through the streets and she got bombarded with tomatoes. Lunch is being served with a nice cold beer. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.